I'm not gonna go too fast in the straights because I want the straights to cool the car down. So I'm gonna chill on the straights. Plus, at the end of the straights, I got a brake, and the one, like I said, these brakes right now are not up to par. So I'm trying to just, you know, be chill with it. This is like not even like 50% though. Like, don't think this is me going all out without brakes and this and that. Like, this is not even close to the potential of this car. Not really to the potential of me either. Like, I have traction control on right now. That's rare for me. But at the same time, I'm also not trying to like wreck this thing without brakes. So I mean, maybe that is my potential. Ooh. Get some air in here really quick because I'm sweaty. Oh, that feels so nice. Yes. Lean up for a second, get the back sweat all dried up. So if we got a little bit more of the straight, I'm gonna do a little bit more of that for a minute. Once we get out of the straight. All right. Why did you go to jail? Oh, I was doing, you know, 97 through a bus stop. I love that corner so much. Automatic through here, let the car cool down a bit. I haven't been up here in a while. It's beautiful, per usual. If I had brakes right now, oh my gosh. I gotta do another one of these when I have brakes so I can really just like go all out on camera. That's the fun part. And preferably at night, because at night is the best. No traffic. cool down for a second. Ah, nice Audi. Nice little scenic part, always beautiful. And we're gonna kind of take it easy now for the most part. I think it was cool, little three-wheeler. Glad I wasn't hitting an apex there. See, I know the blind corners, so I know when things are gonna pop out or not, because I've encountered a lot of bikes on this road. But not so much that I have been lane crossing and stuff, but that they have. Sweeper, accelerate out. Oh, I would have loved this. If this car wasn't here, I would have loved this one. So nice. Automatic. Dodge all that. Nah, I was gonna try to pass, but I know over there it's blind a bit, and people come out of that going pretty quick sometimes. So I'm not trying to meet my demise or kill someone else. See, this is like my most favorite part of the road right here, and I'm getting finessed. I'm gonna build some room. I want to hit this corner like I would, like a normal person would. Hey, thank you. Gang there. Always gotta watch your temps too, especially if you own a C7 Corvette. That's the first time I've ever washed out a little bit in the front end there in this car. If you saw that, understeered a little bit, wasn't expecting it. a minute through here. Kind of let her breathe. Now we're back out of the cane. Oh, there we go. Two things. Brakes. And actually, yeah, I need brakes and I need a drink of water. Those are the two things that are gonna need to happen soon, if not right now. I have the brakes, I just want to install them myself, and I'm neglecting that. So that definitely needs to happen. I want to actually get upgraded brakes though now, because I got the OEM ones, but after, I haven't gone on a Spirited Drive in a while, so after that I think I might send those back and get something a little bit better, because I got sorry, not calipers, pads, and I got pads and rotors. I didn't just get like pads. I'm gonna go AC for the time being and just relax for a minute. But yeah, so for the main part, that was my little Spirited Drive. Wasn't that good, couldn't really go fast or go hard because of traffic and brakes, and now I need gas as well. So, I mean, I hope you enjoyed it. There is a beautiful view to end it off with the sun shining and a BMW M3 acquainted by me, the, you know, most stunningly handsome man in the world. I'm sorry you can't see my face. But yeah, so till next time, adios.